There was a rude woman, and her name was Jane. She was so rude and harsh that no one liked her. Because of her rudeness, she made her friends cry every day. One day, feeling too sad because nobody liked her, Jane decided to change herself. Therefore, she summoned all her friends to a house where she cut up a commitment to each one. She apologized for being rude and harsh to them. Then she promised to never be rude again. It took Jane 2 years to become nicer and nicer and nicer. Jane was the nicest in the world. After 2 years' time, everyone loved Jane. They gave her not only kisses, love, friendship, but also money. Of course, Jane felt very fulfilled, very satisfied, very happy.